Hello, Jeremy from Wood in Harrogate. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So if you've ever wondered how to fold a raincoat, and I don't know why, this took me ages to learn, or not to learn, it's not difficult, but just to remember. So I've got my colleague to do it. But you can take your raincoat and you just fold the edge of the collar to the collar and pinch the two points at the bottom together, lay it out, fold it across, the sleeves will take care of themselves, into the middle and into the middle, and that's it. And you will stop a huge amount of creasing. That's how it would go into a bag for a customer. If it was an overcoat, a cashmere or something, it would perhaps go into a long overcoat cover. But that's how you fold a raincoat. Very, very simple. You could put that in the overhead locker of a plane or on a train. You could even store it as I do. I put it into those vacuum bags when I take my winter wardrobe out for summer. Put them into those storage bags, sucks all the air out, packs them flat, and you'd be amazed how it comes out. 20 minutes, hang it on a hanger, and very little creases. But just for a journey, that will do. Or if you work in a store, because I know when my wife's bought things, I really want to fold a raincoat for them and put it in the bag, but that's rude. So I do it when I get outside. But that's how you fold a raincoat, or an overcoat, or indeed a dressing gown. So I hope that's of use to you. Please like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you soon.